Behant. Our today's recipe is Bombil or Bombay duck fry, a Maharashtrian seafood. It is a lovely fish fry which is crisp from outside and tender and soft from inside. After shifting to Mumbai, I felt that Mumbai has a bit of love affair with this Bombay duck. As the name suggests, Bombay duck, you can see that it is not a duck but a fleshy fish. Here in the west coast of India, it is called Bombil, while in eastern coast, especially in Bangladesh, it is called Loita. But then why Bombil got the name Bombay duck, our team writer will tell you about it. See below to learn more. So here I have taken 4 Bombil. I brought them after cleaning from the market. The fillet I made at home. This is the whole fish. I'll show you how to make fillet. See, with the rest of the 3 fishes, I have made the fillet. So, here I have taken the whole fish. I'll show you. See, this is the top part. They have cut the fins in the market. They have separated the head portion. From the bottom side, I'll first make a slit. Here there is a bone inside. I'll cut along the bone so that I can separate it nicely. This is the hard bone which I need to separate. Use a sharp knife to do this. This is the bone I am separating. Give a shallow cut along the bone on both sides, and then from the center gradually take it out. So I have deboned it. The main bone is separated. This is the fillet. There are some fine bones here that will create a problem because we will be frying it. To make the fry, I'll use 2 types of coating. The ingredients will be 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, half cup of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of semolina or suji or rawa. Here I have made a paste out of 10 garlic cloves and 3 green chilies. Next, 2 wedges of lime, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. The Maharashtrians, they prefer their Bombil duck fry a bit spicy. Hence I am using both the green and the red chili. Next, salt as per taste. Additionally, I'll be using coriander leaves. This is an optional. In the main Bombil duck fry, they use ginger paste, but I won't be using it as per my preference. And I'll fry the dish in white oil. In the ingredients, I have told you that I'll be using 2 types of coating. So I'll be making 2 types of fry. One the golden crispy Bombil duck fry, another rawa fry. To make the crispy golden Bombil duck fry, I'll cut the fillet into 3 pieces. And for the rava fry, I'll keep the fillet whole. Now I'll do the marination. Before marination, I have worn gloves in my hands to avoid the burning sensation, because I'll be using lots of chilies in the dish. So first, I'll put salt. One-4 teaspoon. Next, I'll squeeze the lime juice, the lemon juice. Next, I'll put the garlic and the green chili paste. The red chili powder. Turmeric powder. Coriander leaves, and I mix it gently. Since the fish is very soft in texture, handle the fish with care. Here, additionally, to bind the marinade with the fish, I'll add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Coat it, and I'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes for the spices to get inside nicely. The fish has been marinating for the last 15 minutes. Now, first here I'll be doing the rava coating. I have taken the semolina or the suji or the rava and mixed it with rice flour. I'll take the big fillet. I'll coat 2 big fillet with this coating for our rava bombil fry. Our rava coating is done. Next, I'll do the coating for the crispy bombil duck fry using the besan or gram flour and the rice flour. Mix it. I'll take the fish. Coating is over. I'll keep it inside the refrigerator for half an hour. After that, I'll take it out and fry in hot oil. It will give a crispy fry. After half an hour, I have taken the fish out from the refrigerator, and in a medium hot oil, I'll shallow fry first the rava fry. I'll fry both the sides till golden brown. I'll not heat the oil too much. In a medium hot oil, I'll fry them. I've fried the fish on both sides till golden brown. See, I'll take it out in an absorbent paper. In the same oil, now I'll fry the crispy golden bombil duck fry using gram flour and rice flour coating. I'll fry these also till a lovely golden color comes. I'll fry both the sides till a lovely golden color comes, and then I'll take them out in an absorbent paper before serving. So here goes the famous Mumbai style Bombay or Bombay duck fry. For the fish lovers who are open to trying out new seafood variety, follow my recipe. Make it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hungry Heart. Be with us by putting your valued comment. So goodbye for today. Stay safe, stay healthy.